Hi, parents. My name is Joe Fox. I'm the director of middle and upper school. Every year, I get a lot of questions from lower school families that are coming into middle school or new Barstow families, particularly about our mathematics sequence that we use in middle and upper school, what courses are taken, the rigor of those courses, what is a good fit for my child. So I wanted to put together a short informational video and try to provide some information. On the screen, you're going to see our sequence of mathematics courses that students begin to take normally in 7th or 8th grade. So on the screen, you can see our math progression. Almost every college and high school in the country considers Algebra 1 the first baseline high school math course. You can see that's followed by geometry, then intermediate algebra or Algebra 2. These are all the math courses that we offer here at Barstow. The right side of the screen offers the most challenging track that we offer. We offer at the upper school level, we offer 3 levels of rigor: college prep, honors, and then advanced placement or honors college. And advanced placement is a trademark term used by the College Board, which provides the equivalent of college level rigor at the high school level. So you can see that, for our students, we can really get up to Calculus A, B, AP, Calculus B, C, AP. That's the equivalent of Calculus 1 or 2 at the collegiate level, which can be some really abstract and difficult courses as students get into 11th, 12th grade before graduating. Okay, Algebra 1 is normally taken by half of our students in 7th grade and half of our students in 8th grade. 6th graders take a course called 6th grade mathematics. Roughly half of them are in advanced 6th grade mathematics, and the other half are in just regular 6th grade mathematics. Where you fall, whether it's regular or advanced, is done by teacher recommendation at the lower school level. If you're new to Barstow, we talk with you about, what placement would be best for your child, and then we get to know them and make a recommendation. Every year, I see students in both 6th grade math sections matriculate to either pre-algebra or Algebra 1 in 7th grade. So it doesn't matter where you're placed in 6th grade math, you have the opportunity to go to Algebra 1 or to pre-algebra, depending on how you do in that 6th grade mathematics course. So half of our 7th graders, where we really differentiate for the first time with pre-algebra or Algebra 1, occurs in 7th grade. Roughly half the students in Algebra 1, half the students in pre-algebra. That means in 8th grade, roughly half of our students are in geometry and half of our students are in Algebra 1. And then the progression occurs from there. Okay, every year we'll have sometimes 0, but sometimes 1 or 2, and sometimes 5 or 6. We'll have students that are recommended to skip 6th grade mathematics and go directly into Algebra 1 as a 6th grade student. So that doesn't happen often, but it does happen on teacher recommendation. We're always looking to find the right fit in mathematics placement for students. And we do that by getting to know students well and trying to meet them where they are. At the middle and upper school level, it's a little bit easier because we have these differentiated courses where we can place students appropriately. All right. Over the years, I always want to stress that building a solid foundation is without a doubt the most important thing a student can do. There are a lot of opportunities to advance yourself in future years in mathematics if that's desired by your child and your family. Okay, so the most common way that students can advance themselves would be to complete a summer math course via Barstow Global Online, which is our asynchronous course provider. And students will take Algebra 1, geometry, Algebra 2, sometimes even pre-calculus. They'll take the course over the summer. They do work hard. It's a lot of math content in a 12-week period of time. And upon completion of that course, we put them in the next math course, the subsequent year at Barstow. So that has been picking up in popularity. We'll probably have anywhere from 3 to 10 students, middle and upper school students each year that want to advance themselves in mathematics by taking a Barstow Global online course. The other way, this is more the old-fashioned way, when I was a student at Barstow, you could advance yourself in mathematics by double enrolling in geometry and in Algebra 2 concurrently at the same time. So that, if that works into a student schedule, that's also an option. So after the completion of Algebra 1, if a student wants to advance themselves in mathematics, they can take 2 courses in the same year on campus, geometry and Algebra 2, and obviously they would have to enjoy taking multiple math courses. And then the next year, you would go into pre-calculus after you've knocked out 2 classes at one time. So I hope you find this information helpful. I like to joke that I have the easiest name in Barstow's directory, Joe Fox, and you can find me at joe.fox, F-O-X. at Barstow School, BARSTOW school.org. Thanks so much.